That's under $60, like 50, what, $56 something? Damn, that's what's up. Lebron's, man. LeBron 17s. Shoot, I forgot the name of the colorway though. These are just the red ones, not the YouTubes. Yeah, go for what, 109? It's got 30 off, so yeah. Dang, that is such a good price on these Vomeros. Man, that's what's up. All suede? Wow. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, happy Black Friday, you guys. It's been Black Friday for what, about 2 hours now? Thanksgiving was 2 hours ago, just ended 2 hours ago. We're already on our third Nike outlet in our Black Friday Nike outlet marathon. Yeah, man. So, you know, I'm trying to get as much content for you guys. Trying to make sure that I keep you guys entertained. Make sure you keep you guys informed of what's going on. I do want to give a big shout out to all of you guys who are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for being subscribed. Thank you so much for watching every one of my videos. Do appreciate you guys supporting. And yeah, this is all pretty much for you guys. So yeah, so let's go see what's up, man. There's a big line. Check out that crazy line. Crazy line, you guys. Apparently I'm the only one wearing shorts, and I didn't even realize how cold it is out here. The hell? Damn, man. People in California, man, apparently they don't like the cold. Didn't wear too much heat today because I've already got my feet stepped on like 20 times. So got the Air Max 2017s. Got some Jordan shorts on. Okay. 15 minutes. Feels like we're like at a club or something, man. Waiting in line. Too bad. Waited what? 18 minutes? 18 minutes? 19 minutes? I don't know. Okay.
Thank you for waiting.
One of the bigger outlets, you guys. One of the biggest ones. Biggest ones out here. Let's go see what's up. 30% off the entire store. Let's go see what's up. Oh. Let's start with the flight posits. Size 10, 80 bucks. 80 bucks. Was that like? That's under $60. Like 50, what, $56 something? Damn, that's what's up. That's what's up. What are these? They got like 500 of them. Zoom Alpha? These go for $150? What the hell? These retail for $150. All right, 70 bucks, 30% off, I guess. That's crazy. Got Saturns, man. I remember when these came out. These would go for 200. 200 go for 90 bucks, 30% off. Got Air Max 95s go for what? 70 bucks, 30% off. That's what's up. It's under 50 bucks, man. Not bad. I guess it's 35, man. 85, that's steep, man. Way too steep. Air Max Premiums. Volt colorway. Okay. All right. What's this going for? 75, 30% off. Oh, some of the prices are really solid. 75, 30% off, man. That's what's up. That is what's up. Air Force Max. So down to 70, 69 bucks, 30% off. And prices are going down. That's what's up. Pegasus Turbos. Okay. 125, 30% off. Some technical difficulties. Look at these. The Vomeros. 65 bucks, dude. Normally 140. 65 bucks, 30% off on top of that. Oh my goodness, that's like $40. That is like $40. That is crazy. That's crazy, man. They got a lot of heat here. A lot of heat. Here we got these Air Flight Posits going for $150. Wow, we've seen these go for significant less. We've seen these for around $100 at the East LA location. That's crazy. And not really much in 10.5s, 11s. These are way too expensive at 110. That's crazy. We've got some Tenkos. The second most popular dad shoe in the Nike lineup. 50 bucks, 30% off. Odyssey React, 60 bucks. 30% off on top of that, you know that. This is just Zoom All Out Low 2s, 65 bucks, man. That is such a good deal. I just thought the top was kind of boring. But the sides, they look, I'm a big fan of the sides. And the Zoom Air, you guys. That's Zoom Air, man. Not much more comfortable cushioning than Zoom Air out there, man. Those are dope.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab more stack.
Oh, Nike Air Force Max. $70, 30% off the gray colorway. Not bad. Size 11s, more zoom out lows. Go for $80. $80. These are the same things. These are zoom out low 2s, going for a little bit cheaper. Interesting. All right, not much in the 11s. I think we're in the 12s? 11 and a half. Look at that. Look at that. Some Nike IDs. Some PG3 Nike IDs. PG3 Nike IDs. Not bad. Not a terrible colorway. Not bad. Not bad. Go for $100, 30% off. Okay, $70 for Nike IDs. Not bad. Awesome Air Max Plus. $80. In the size 12, we got some Cortez Basics, $60. $60 is the white with the black on it. Not bad. 30% off that. 30% off that. Whoa! Look what we got here. Oh, look what we got here, guys. Look, limited the first colorway. Lebron's, man. LeBron 17s. Shoot, I forgot the name of the colorway though. But these sold out. Sold out on sneakers. It's dope. Going for 200, 30% off. Dang, the box is all torn out. This shit, the box is all torn out. Yeah, go for it. These are 200. Yeah, 30% off. Seeing if it's dirty at all. You know, fools do like to wear stuff. Yeah, it looks like it was worn a little bit. Does look like it was worn a little bit. Yeah, the top's pretty clean. Top's pretty clean. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, that's the best find of the day so far. I think I forgot to mention, that's size 14. Size 14. The sizes are kind of just everywhere because of how hectic things are. Okay, look at this. Got the KD12s. These are the YouTubes? No, these are just the red ones, not the YouTubes. Yeah, go for what? 109. It's got 30 off, so yeah. $80. Pretty solid deal, almost 50% off. Size 13. Oh man, these are some 312. $60. Good price though. 30% off. I was like, these aren't no Lunar Prime irons. Maybe they might give these to you because these are Metcons, man. These are probably way more expensive Metcons than $20. Maybe they'll be dumb enough to give it to you. Interesting. Yeah, for the bigger sizes, there really isn't much. Got some Hydros. Hydro 7s go for 21. That's size 14. And all these Pegasus size 15. But yeah, really not much, you guys. Alright, there's really not much in size 9. Got these KD Tray 5s go for $70, 30% off. But yeah, not much in size 9, you guys. Not much in size 9. Alright, so we're down to the 7s and smallers. There's just really not much, you guys. Really not much here. Talked to a couple of workers, and even they said not much. $100. Pegasus turbos, 35 turbos. $100, 30% off. That's not bad. Got some blazers. Oh, these are some women's, the Vandals. These are the women's, $60. Okay, we got some Vapor 13 Elite. These soccer. Oh, these are the Mercurials. These are like the super high-end soccer cleats. $250, 30% off. Dang. All right, let's start with the aisles, you guys. They do have more aisles here than any other Nike that I've been to. So yeah, $150 for these, 30% off. Probably go to like $105 or something. Okay, got a whole lot of sizes. Proto React. Yeah, these are gonna continue to fall. Nobody's buying these. Proto Max 720. These are all right. You get an extra 30% off on top of this too. Remember that. Mars 720s. If you like this type of video, make sure you go ahead and like this video. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe, press those notification buttons so you guys know when new videos come out. We want to give a shout out to the homie Greg, who works at this location. apparently watching my video. Thanks so much for supporting. Appreciate it. These are the Zoom Rides, the wannabe Alpha Dunks. Wannabe Alpha Dunks, $100. Get that 30 off though. I've never seen this colorway of the 270s. Okay. It's like a top 3 colorway or something. All right. Still sucks. 312s. 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 More 312s. All right, last 312s. Remember, they're all 30% off. Yeah, these been out for a while, but real good price. Real good price for these Air Force Max. Haven't seen the white colorway of the Air Force Max 2. Not bad. Another Air Force Max 2. Kyrie Flytrap. 30% off of this Kyrie Flytrap as well. Kyrie 5. Kyrie 5. 109, 30% off too. Man, that's real good. 80 bucks or so. Yeah, that's a discount right there. That's a deal. PGs, man, this is way too much. What the heck? Even with the 30% off, I feel like I've seen these for way cheaper. That's a solid deal. This goes down a little under 90. LeBron 16 low, not bad. Oh, okay, these really going down now. Really going down under, what $67? Okay, 67 for this one too, not bad. This one's a little bit higher still. It's probably like 63 bucks after 30% off, not bad. Dang, that is such a good price on these Vomeros. Man, that's what's up. That is what's up. It's like 40 something. It's like 40 bucks, right? Yeah, man. It's a really good price. Not much heat in the guys section, man. Let's get some luck. Hopefully we get lucky in the women's. Let's go see what's up. Go see what's up. The Jordan 1 Fearless. I forgot which one. Just like it looks like metallic or something, but yeah. Okay. Won't focus, but yeah, look at that. Going for retail. Dang, I can't try to. Going for retail. Does have the extra laces. Does have the extra laces. Got that little paperwork right there too. 30% off, man. Not bad. Okay, these 720s, $100. Pretty cool colorway. I guess it's 35. Not bad. Go for 70.
Only one thing in there.
Jordan 3s. Look at this. What is this? Let's look at this. Man, there's too many people here, so let's look at this Jordan 3. I've never seen these before. All suede. Wow. Suede purple. Wow, this suede is smooth too. Dang, dude, what size is this? What size is this? Oh, let's check the other side. Go for 129. Normally 180. Okay, 8.5. Oh, what the hell is this? Dang, suede is nice too. That's about 30% off on top of that. Not bad. Women's section been better than the guys section so far. Yeah. Might take a thumbnail with this. What are these? What the hell? Like some sort of trainer, but like suede. That's crazy. That's crazy. Not the prettiest though, but the suede material is dope. 70 bucks, 30% off some free trainers. Okay. Redcon Flyknit. Flyknit 3s for 65. Solid deal. Oh, look at these Nike Legend React, 55 bucks. Oh wait, these are Metcons. Never mind. Okay. If they give that to you for 55, that's a solid deal. All kinds of Jordan 11s. Look at this one. Look how they bootleg the box together. That should be a couple dollars cheaper. Price is 35, 70 bucks, 30% off. That's not bad. Size 9.5. It's not bad. Alright, when the bigger size is Air Max 1s. Oh my goodness. Air Max 1s for $45. Yeah, they got way more heat in the women's than the guys, dude. Yeah, kind of a whatever colorway, but man, it's a premium, so like that leather, man. That leather is money. 45 bucks. And you get that 30% off, so that comes out to what? $30? Holy crap, that's crazy. That's crazy. Dang, that's surprising. Look, 80 bucks. The Pegasus Turbo, what are these? Some shields? These are some weird looking ass shoes. But you get that Zoom X right there, man. You get that great cushioning for it. Damn, that's the cheapest I've ever seen a Pegasus Turbo. Go for 80 bucks. And you get 30% off. These are $200 shoes. Get these for like what, $63 or something? Damn, those are $200 shoe. That's crazy. Check out the women's aisles, you guys. $120 for these. Seems high. Air Max 200. Yeah, with that discount, that makes it real good. Another Air Max 200, one of the newer silhouettes here at the outlets. Colorway number 3. Kind of expensive, but with the 30% off, totally makes it worth it. I think this was a little more than the guys section, right? The guys, I think, were 90. Yeah, okay, still not bad though. Still not bad. A little bit cheaper. Dang, these $720. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that price. 30% off on top of that. Vapor Max under 100. That's what's up. Vapor Max under 80.
30% off.
Under 80, not bad. I think that's one of the cheapest I've ever seen the Metcon, especially with 30% on top of that. It's not bad. Weird colorway though. Peach. Better colorway, but just way expensive. Okay, not bad. This is the patch version. The $65. That's really cheap. It's a patch version. It does come with a few extra patches, and yeah, you kind of put those on. That's that felt right there. You put them on the felt portion. Pretty cool. Cool concept. More Metcons. Yeah, so someone tried these on and they just left them here. Yeah, don't do that, you guys. Don't be a douchebag to the workers, please. Bomero 14s, like the guys version was like, he had a colorway $65, man. That's kind of pricey, man. More than 65 for the guys. Damn, that's a deal right there, you guys. Wow. I guess it's Turbo 2s. And I love it when they are so off with the retail. The retail is $180, no, $110. But man, you get 30% off on top of that. That's what's up, man. Full size run too. All right, there. The apparel game here is very strong. Look at this, man. Look at how much apparel they got. Wow, this is like one of the biggest apparel sections that I've seen at one of the outlets. But it's 3:12 in the morning. I still have to edit a video when I get home for you guys. And I still have to stop by the Adidas outlet. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night, you guys. Call it a night. I was like 3 in the morning, 3:20 or something. I don't know, 3:20 something. But yeah, thanks for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification button because I do drop a lot of videos, so you guys don't miss any of the videos or whatnot. Appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Shoe Palace visit at 3 in the morning. Let's go. Let's go. It's Black Friday. I don't see no kind of sale signs. Kind of disappointing, guys. Y'all letting me down because I've been riding with you guys for a while now. One of these threes gonna go on sale, man. I want these threes to hurry up and go out on sale. The New York Knicks colorway, dude. Come on now. These are nice. I do like them clean, super clean. Alright, I don't expect these to be on sale. These are brand new, so alright. I'll let that go. Well, you guys know the 9s, Gym Red. Not bad. Air Max, nothing on sale. Alright, let's check out the Adidas. Hey man, that's what's up. $100. $100. These are normally $180 for the Ultra Boost 2019. Not bad. Not bad. That's a solid deal. $100. 100 for these old school ones. I don't remember the different versions and stuff, but yeah, not bad. That's $100. Pretty cool colorway. No sale sign, but $100, dude. $100. Man, they got some solid deals here, man. They never let me down. Rarely ever. I don't know. Continentals go for $100. I don't know if it's the guys section, the women's section. I don't think they differentiate here, but yeah, go for $40 for that. That's not bad. Night joggers go for what, $70? $70. These are normally $130 or something. Not bad. They don't look too bad. Kind of look like the marathons and stuff, but they're not too shabby. This colorway as well, going for $70 for the night joggers. Not too bad. They do have a bunch of stuff in the sale section, but yeah, it's all garbage, dude. I'm sorry. Yeah, those are mediocre stuff. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, now we're officially done, you guys. Thanks for watching.